Hi, it's Phil Mater from UPC, the makers of MagKit at-a-glance kitting for small piece parts and hardware. We've developed a new kitting system that is a Poka-Yoke system that instantly allows you to tell if every part is on your assembly line and is also prepped correctly from your storeroom to go out for presentation to build. So you can clearly see if a part is missing. One of the great innovations is it solves the problem we've been having with scale tolerance issues, where counting by scale small parts doesn't always guarantee the correct quantity based on the tolerance of the part. So if you have 100 parts that you're weighing, you could have anywhere from 98 to 102 parts. In a critical assembly, it's valuable to know if every part is accounted for. So again, this is Phil Mater from UPC, the makers of MagKit, introducing a brand new kitting solution for small parts and hardware.